Hello once again, my subscribers. Welcome again to my channel, King Felix Travels. So today is on a Saturday, and I want to take you to a walk today. Today we are going to visit Karura Forest. So it's now 1 minute to 10. So let's see what Karura entails. You can see it's 10 o'clock, 1 minute to 10. So let us see how the journey it's gonna be. Stay tuned. Now I'm full, guys. Just come out from a cafe, take my breakfast. So I'm on my way to the bus station to pick a matatu to take me to Karura.
I'm King Felix, I'm on the road. From Nyanza, that's my home. Every sunrise brings a brand new way. Chasing stories every single day. From villages to city lights, capturing moments, amazing sights. Every journey writes a page. Welcome to my travel stage. I'm King Felix Travels. Come ride with me, exploring towns and cities, wild and free. From Nyanza to the world so wide. Adventure is my passion. Come enjoy the ride. King Felix Travels. Every road's a dream. Life is more beautiful than it seems. Meeting people, learning every day. Different cultures along the way. Mountains, rivers, market streets. Every destination feels complete. Camera rolling, memories grow. Sharing every place I go. One more journey, one more smile. Every mile is worth the while. I'm King Felix Travels. Come ride with me, exploring towns and cities, wild and free. From Nyanza to the world so wide. Adventure is my passion. Come enjoy the ride. No matter where the road may lead, adventure is all I need. From Nyanza to every land, with faith and courage, here I stand. I'm King Felix Travels. This is my story. Every destination tells its glory. From Nyanza, I'm proud to say the world is calling. I'm on my way. King Felix Travels. Let's explore together, creating memories that will last forever.
Nimeshuka kwa matatu tena, I have to take another matatu to my final destination. I'm in Muthaiga. You can see around Muthaiga Square. So if you come from Allsops Muthaiga, unashuka Muthaiga, kitoka Tao ndio unashuka Muthaiga, ndio unachukua the gari ya mwisho. So na kuchukua hiyo gari nyingine nipeleke, lakini nimedelay kwa barabara sana. Ni sawa, it's 20 minutes past 11. So I've just taken around almost 1 hour 20 minutes because nilitoka 11 on the dot, nikaenda nikachukua breakfast. Hiyo time ya breakfast ndio ilikuwa mingi, 30 minutes, na si ati samaki, ilikuwa mingi sana. Anyway guys, gari nachukua kwa hii kona tu, alafu tunaenda. Kuna sisikii dalili ya gari. Naona zingine pale mbele, naona zingine. So guys, stay tuned.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Right there on top of the moon, I could sit and do nothing. I wish you would go to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like I
So guys, I've
never
arrived
knew.
at Karura Gate C.
Too scared now,
Yeah,
thinking I should call
in
up
your gate.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things okay, just walk away.
So I've paid at the entrance.
Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go.
So this meaning is to
I wish
just
we would
walk.
go to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on
So this is just the beginning of the journey. Mambo. So guys, I'm going to that find. I'm just alone. Alone. So guys, you two should also just decide that today let me go and connect with nature. Nature is good. Nakuja unaongea na mandege, unasikia mandege wanasema aje. Usisikize tu binadamu sana, unachukua time, unakuja unaongea na wanyama pia. Hata kwa Biblia imeandikwa binadamu walikuwa wanaongea tu na wanyama. So guys, this is Karura Forest. Yeah. Total charge ni 100 bob plus VAT around 20 bob. Yeah, and it's so dusty. Too dusty. Sikuvaa viatu. Just look. look, the forests. There's a construction of something here. I don't know what is it. I don't know. So when you come here, there are lots you can do. There's bicycle cycling. You can take a bike from the gate, then you just cycle it inside here. Inside here is very big. Actually, it has I don't know, 3 gates. There's a Kiambu Road and there is a Limuru Road. So me, I came in with the Kiambu Road, Gate C. So if that is Gate C, there are some gates also. There are more other gates. They are riding. They are riding themselves. So guys, here is this one here. When you are tired, you can sit. Huh? You see, Karura is good. Let's keep going. It's 11:44, guys. You can see 11:44. That road was so dusty. Let me follow this one. Niko kwa kichaka. Hii ni kichaka tu. Ni aje?
They said monkey don't sleep on this.
Lakini sasa Shetani ni muongo. Shetani ananiambia tu hivi. Acha niwaambie venye Shetani aliniongelesha. Akaniambia, wewe oga, vaa nguo safi, lakini kitu usifanye ni kitu moja, usivae viatu. Guess what? Look. It's so dusty. Hapa pia unaweza kuja na kamtu wako. Love is sweet. Mimi sasa naitwa Bushman. Hizo vitu nimewhisper, si ukweli, msidanganywe na hiyo kitu ni mbaya. Love yourself and then the rest shall follow. Bado niko kwa ile barabara. So guys, when you come to Karura, there are some things that are not allowed that you have to carry. So things like bottle tops, the water bottles, those disposable ones, plus the disposables like the water bottle like Dasani, chupa kama hizo are not allowed inside, plus the peppers, hizi wraps za mandazi, the cakes and the bread and whatever, they are not allowed inside because they want to make sure that inside here is clean. They want to make it a good environment for the animals living in here. Hii forest si yenyu peke yao. Hizi mti, they are the habitats for wild animals, the birds, and monkeys are here. Snakes, of course, huwezi kosa. So that's the reason. Yeah. And many other things I'll highlight you in the video. So just stay tuned. Ni mimi ndio sina bahati. So this one is to the waterfalls. Let's follow this to the waterfalls. I'm alone, guys. I'm alone. And life must move on. Na wengine wanakuja. Acha nionyeshe hao. It's 11:55. Hadi. I like the environment here. So cool, very cool. So ukiwa na stress unakuja unatulia tu. natulia tu. So guys, we are going to the waterfall first. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go to the waterfalls. Hey. I can hear the sound. The waterfall is sounding. Mm. Mm. So there's the water stream. You can see the water stream from a waterfall. Yeah. Look at these trees. Look at their roots. Wow. Such a beautiful. Huh? The ecosystem. Just see there. Ah, this one has fallen down now. A soldier has fallen down. So here is a cave. So it's written no entry. No entry. Hey, I made a mistake coming alone. Wow, that was a mistake. Mungu wangu, wewe wajua sababu kwa nini. Hii ni rende gani? So this is just a stream from a waterfall. We're gonna see the waterfall itself. You can see it's a group of the old, the millennials. They are doing exercise. So this is the second cave. Niseme sina bahati. Next time I won't come here alone, by the way. This is dangerous. So this is the third cave. So kuna wazungu hapa. These are now the tourists. Mimi si mtalii. Si unaona wako na guide. Wako na guide. Mimi hata sijaulizwa unataka guide. Ni wewe enda huko uanguke. Uone alafu rudi. So this still a stream. Sikuwa nataka kuwasikia bwana. Hata mimi next time I want to be just an ordinary visitor. Me, I'm a visitor, those one are the tourists. What I'll do next time for me to become a tourist, so that I can have my guide, my tour guide. I'll put on my shoes. I won't come with the Crocs. It's dangerous. I think you can hear the sound. So guys, that's a stream. Yeah. Karura is good. Yeah. It's so good. Yes. I think my sound is not good, but next time I need to purchase a lapel mic. I'll have to purchase one so that for sound clarity. Mzungu anaitwa Felix. Hii jina kumbe ni kubwa. Guys, hii jina ni kubwa. I'm almost to the waterfall. I'm almost, because this intensity, meaning that it's just so it's very unfortunate. Kuna msee amenisimamisha bana. Nauliza Nare. Wenye wajui Nare, nitawaelezea in next video. Ukiuliza Nare kumaanisha ako slow. So that's still not the waterfall. Iko hapa mbele, acha ni washow. Let me show you. Iko hapa mbele. So guys, this is the waterfall, and today it's clear. So during rainy seasons, it's normally red because of the erosion of the erosion. So it carries more sand, more of the soil along the path, the different flood streams from different flood streams. So because it's not a rainy season, it seems so clear. That one for the waterfall. So let's see where next. Next destination.
Yeah.
We're going to this one. We'll find a bench. Let's go find a bench.
Yeah. So inside here, there are some things that there are the restrictions on the signboards and directions. So here are the gates. So the time for closing is 7 p.m. But I think it's after 7 p.m. visitors find themselves in the forest must report on Gate A on Limuru Road or Gate K in KFS headquarters. Okay. So this is to waterfalls only. Ukiwa na dogi unaweza kumleta huku ikukimbize pia. Wakati so I think this place is good for exercise. Very good, very nice. And I really like it. I like it. Damn. Let's see this one. Limuru Gate entrance. 2.6 kilometers. So to this side is to the caves and waterfalls to get Sikiambu. Very nice. So guys, you can sit, you can have a rest. Hey, I'm so thirsty, but I didn't carry my water bottle. Hey. So this is to Limuru Gate. Inside Karura. It's 12:21 noon African time. So guys, in the comment section, you can tell me where you want me to visit next, my next destination. I don't decide this destination on my own, but it's you guys who tells me. You suggest, I do. Yeah. People are and me msijali. Hapo kwa comment section niende wapi next, I'll go. Aje mzito?
Poa poa.
Kameharibika ama iko sawa?
Niko tu sawa, ni data inanisumbua.
Oh. Najua hapa lazima jali bro. Men for men. Not men for men, men for men. Look at this tree. Look at this tree. Mugumo tree. Ah, si mugumo. Unajua nacheka kwa nini? So yo madam mwenye amepita anampigia mtu simu akimwambia mambo ya Saturday, mambo ya weekend yaenda town. Hapana, aguzi town hapa, ameipata iko worth. And that's why guys, I'm telling you that connecting with the nature, it's something very important. Like it makes you feel like it makes you feel released. It's like a therapy itself. You see, it's a therapy itself. So that's why just take your time. Unaweza kaa kwa nyumba, yes, but still the distractions. Utakaa kwa nyumba hapo, joto ikupige, uanze tena kufikiria. Jirani afungue music, ilete distractions. So that's why nature matters a lot. Yeah. So
Sasa nimepotea.
Umeacha tu hapo mbele.
Okay.
So I think kuna barabara ingine imeenda hivi, ingine iko hivi. So umeiacha hapo.
Hili sijapotea sana.
Haujapotea sana. Uko sawa ama speed yangu iko juu?
Niko sawa.
Cha wafanye exercise.
Exercise isipokuwa ni ukishindwa. Hata kama si bali sana. At least ukiwalk kama 2 kilometers. Uko sawa.
Sasa shida moja apotee. Moja akipotea tu hivi na network ni shida huku pia.
Mtu ataulizia tu kama mimi.
Ataulizia.
Watu wako.
Hawezi kosa mtu.
Bwana kunyamaza usije unasumbuka. Tu hapa unaweza fikiria mtu ni kutoka kumbe hata sasa hivi ameingia. Moja ukiwa peke yako usuguke urudi kutafuta wewe mwenyewe. Umeshapotea. Kumbe hata ukifikiria unaenda nyumbani ni kuingia unaingia ndani.
Ndio unazidi kupotea.
Juu hapa unajua kuna njia mingi.
Njia ni mingi. Huwezi trace hata yenye ulikuja nayo.
Huwezi.
So guys, this one. to waterfall and caves, to waterfall, caves and lake circuit, butterfly lakes and pretty valleys. Let's see what is there. So it's very unfortunate that the mama that was talking on the background, she got lost in the forest. The group that she had disappeared. So the only option was to go to the field. And for that reason, the title of this video is gonna be Lost in the Forest. Just look at this up. This is planted forest. Is this a cypress? Cypress? No. It's not natural. So it's 12:52. 12:52. Let me take a rest. Let me take 8 minutes rest. So guys, I hope you've seen how Karura looks like, the prices, what it consists of. Actually, I've not filmed the field, the playground, but it's a few meters from here. I was there, but I couldn't record. I don't know how I forgot. So I told you here, when you feel tired, you can rest. When you feel thirsty, have your water or your water bottle. So the water is at the entrance, at the gate. Those are where the water points. Hey, this forest is big and just look at these trees, guys. These are planted. Hapa ukipigwa heartbreak moja safi, ukikuja hapa una heal. Sijasema ati mimi niko heartbroken, but ukipigwa, I'm giving you a solution. In fact, I want to be Dr. Love. Yeah. I can cure many souls.
This guy's in the middle. Oh my god. So this was lucky. Today was really lucky. Wow.
Another interesting thing is that imagine inside this Karura forest. It's kinda. It seems like it wants to rain, but no. But when you go just outside the gate, it's too hot, too sunny. Yeah. Guys, I said I'm going out. I'm resting here for 8 minutes, and when I look at my watch, it's 8 minutes are off. So the problem of resting, the way I've just walked all along, then I made a mistake of sitting down on these benches, guys. I'm just feeling I'm really tired. I don't know if I'll reach at the gate, because it's my time to go home. And rest and take a rest. Today we have not seen any monkeys. Oh, look at them. There's one up here, but I can't spot them. They are running away. Here is one. Bro. Oh yeah. Those are the monkeys. Say wananitoroka na nimebrozi bana. Mabrozi wanani abandon. Ni mbaya. There's one up here. Ni mabro saya wanijui. Makaini mahoro. So I'm heading to the exit because my time over here is over. My time is up. and I need to go to my beloved one because the way things are going here doesn't favor me because I'm alone. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, King Felix Travels, if you have not subscribed, guys, please subscribe, like and share. Please share it to your loved ones so that we can get more and more of the adventures, to know more about cultures and so more and so forth. So I'm just about to reach the gate. There is bumps ahead here. I'm being told that there is bump ahead. Which bump? So guys, in the comment section, please comment which destination, what is our next destination. So that was all about Karura Forests, and I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for taking your time for watching my vlog, and may God bless you. May God bless you abundantly. May He lift you. May He open each and every way. May He answer all of your prayers. Love you so much. Thank you guys.